Hey, what's up, Shiba holders? So this time the Shiba latest update is on the screen, my friend. Let's see the Shiba prediction, my friends, to upcoming time. What's they going on? Let's technical analysis also do, my friend, in this video. So kindly don't skip any second of this video, my friend. But kindly before I start this video, I have one request to kindly subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much, brother, who subscribe our YouTube channel. My friend, it is massive jump occurred from a last month, my friend. Just 1 month, just one jump, my friend. They will take in the last 1 month. You can see here the last 1 month chart is on the screen. But after this jump, my friends, they falls down like a rocket. Very badly falls down. They falls down, my friend, and very badly falls down. You can see here this time on the screen. Especially the main reason is that when they falls down, my friend. The main reason is that to the all crypto market, not just unique this, my friend, not just unique Shiba, all crypto market is very badly dumps. So therefore they also fails down. And the second reason is that especially the short term investor, Shiba is very good coin, my friends, for short term investor, not good for long term investing. So therefore, my friends, they also sometimes fails down very fastly, because when they take a short jump, then absolutely the holders take a good profit and they fails down again. They say when he's selling, then absolutely they fails down. So don't see this short fail, my friend. If you invest for a long time, if you are invest for a long time, then definitely, my brother. But if you are invest for a short time, then definitely, my friends, this is depend on any moment, my friends. When they take a good jump, then absolutely you need to you starting selling. But definitely when they fails down, this is absolutely going to be very good, my friend, to you hold, because when they fails down, then the price is also very cheap. So this is not good, my friends, to you sell it at this time. So kindly you need to hold, and absolutely if you wait for the end of this month, exactly, my friend, at the end of month every cryptocurrency is moving upwards. So therefore it's depend on you, my friend, to you hold or buy. Please, this is not a financial video. You absolutely, my friends, take a decision to sell, hold or buy. So thanks for watching, holder. Hope you enjoy this video. Please, my opinion is that to hold, don't sell it to the end of month, and you also share your opinion in a comment box. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.